Welcome, students. Today, we will learn how to make delicious mango juice with ginger. First, gather your ingredients. You will need ripe mangoes, fresh ginger, water and sugar. Start by peeling the mangoes. Cut them into smaller pieces for easy blending. Next, take a small piece of ginger. Peel and chop it into thin slices. In a blender, combine mango pieces and ginger slices. Add 1 cup of water to the blender. For sweetness, add sugar to your taste. Blend the mixture until smooth and creamy. If it is too thick, add more water. After blending, strain the juice using a fine sieve. This helps remove any pulp or fibers. Pour your fresh mango juice into a glass.